What's up everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing our organic Camu Camu powder that we ordered off of Amazon. It came in a bubble mailer package. Now let's get this natural vitamin C out of this package. Boom, here it is. Camu Camu powder. From micro ingredients, it's organic, vegan, non-GMO, and gluten-free. I got this Camu Camu powder because I wanted a high source of natural vitamin C and some polyphenols. I'm going to be using this Camu Camu powder to make some homemade liposomal vitamin C. To make the high dose liposomal vitamin C, I pair it with the sunflower lecithin, also made by micro ingredients. It's organic, vegan, non-GMO, kosher, all that good stuff. Normally I order acerola powder to get my source of natural vitamin C, but then I learned Camu Camu powder has an even richer source of vitamin C than compared to acerola powder. On the nutrition facts for the Camu Camu powder, it says that one serving of this has 1,180% of your daily value of recommended vitamin C. In comparison, the acerola powder only has 800% vitamin C for your recommended daily value in one serving. So now that we know a little bit about it, let's go ahead and open it and try it out. It has a resealable Ziploc on the inside. You want to be careful when you open this because remember, it's powder inside. Wow, look at that. That's really pink. I have a cup with some water in here. I'm gonna mix a scoop in there, stir it around, and drink it. Wow. It's really fine. It does have a small scent to it. It doesn't smell bad, it smells good. Nice and fine. It's kind of making my mouth water. I wonder if it's sweet. Although it doesn't have any sugar added, I believe so. That's what I saw right here. Oh, it says right in the bottom, free of sugar, soy, dairy, yeast, and gluten. All a plus for me. We put a scoop in here with a little bit of water. I'm gonna stir it around, and then we're gonna drink it, taste it, give it a little taste test for all you people who are curious out there. Alright, now I got some in there. Now let's try this. It made the water look nice and pink. It is a little bit sweet, but no sugar added, and it says 0 grams of sugar in the nutrition facts. It's not bad. You could totally add this to your food when you're cooking, to the kids' drinks, you know, to their smoothies and stuff, so that they can get their vitamin C for the day. This one's, in comparison to the acerola powder, it's a lot sweeter. The acerola powder is actually like not really sweet at all. This has a higher source of vitamin C, so that's why I'm choosing Camu Camu powder to make my high dose liposomal vitamin C at home. That's it for today's unboxing of my Camu Camu powder from Micro Ingredients, the organic one. I hope it was helpful for you so you know what to expect when you order this for yourself. If you're interested in learning more about this product or any of these other related products, I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video down below. That link will take you directly to the product page where you can see this item, see the other items, see similar items at different price ranges, and even decide to buy if you wish. And if you do decide to buy, I get a small cut at no extra cost to you, so I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, people.